Oh, okay. There's a sports place.
Yes.
This is all free?
Yes, ücretsiz. Yes, free.
Hello loves, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. I really appreciate your support. So today I'm going to talk about apartments in Istanbul. This was a highly requested video and I'm sorry I took so long to edit it, but it's finally here. You can rent a apartment house from the landlord or from the real estate agent. So if you're renting from a real estate agent, you have to pay their fee, and that fee is the amount of your rent. How much rent you're paying is the same amount as the real estate agent fee. And also you pay the deposit and the rent, like for 2 months, deposit for 2 months. But if you're renting from the landlord, you only pay deposit and rent. So some apartments are just standalone apartments, and others are like this one I'm showing you in the video. They are residence. So that means there will be swimming pool, gym, they have like amenities and stuff like that. So yeah, it depends on what you want. So this house is in a residence, and this is how it looked like. It was a 3-bedroom apartment, fully furnished. So they are furnished houses and also unfurnished apartments. It depends on what you are actually looking for. So this was 2,500 TL per month, and yeah, it looks beautiful, I think. Guys, what do you think? Tell me. It had a nice balcony. And when renting an apartment, you need to have your ikamet, that's your residence permit, because they photocopy them and then put all your info. And also when you have to go and get electricity on your name, water on your name, gas on your name, so you should be legal in the country. So if you see 3+1, that means 3 bedrooms house plus 1 living room. If it's 2+1, like that, the same thing. If it's 0+1, that means it's a studio apartment, guys, I think. And if it's 1+1, that means 1 bedroom, 1 living room. So remember, you pay rent and deposit and maybe emlak fee or real estate agent fee, but also every month you pay a certain amount of money, which will be little. It's called aidat in Turkish. It can be 200 Turkish lira, 300, depending on where you're living or the residence that you want to rent. They all have different fee, okay? But it's just usually small money that is used to take care of to pay the workers who work around the residence, the ones who clean, that stuff. also sauna and hammam, that is a Turkish bath.